Amigos, we are The Roots. On this vlog, we are sharing with you our ups and multiple downs on our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. So please tag along on this journey. Are we there yet, Mr. Root?
On today's episode, we continue our trip through the Northwest. Stop number 2, Yosemite. We try, but fail. We tried to access the park, but with COVID-19, basically it's forced you to have reservations. And of course, we did not have one. Oh well, maybe next time.
If you have seen our previous video, then you know that we are on our first road trip in our, for now, rolling tent. So we departed from Phoenix to Sequoia National Park, then to Yosemite. From there we're going to San Francisco, and then we're gonna go explore the Oregon coast, all the way to Portland. After that, Twin Falls, to finally make it to Yellowstone and the Grand Teton, and to finalize with Zion National Park before getting back home. On this second video, we're exploring or trying to explore Yosemite National Park. So hi, good morning everyone. So we're here in Idle Winery in Oakhurst, California, which is in the outskirts of Yosemite Park. So I have quite a story there. So as you know, we weren't able to hook up a way to pull a car with us for this trip. We weren't able to finish the bus on time to do it, and it requires a lot of logistics to do it, right? Anyway, so we got here and we tried to get a shuttle from Oakhurst to the park. Anyway, everything is booked, and with this COVID-19, apparently everybody wants to go and enjoy nature, whatever. We are one of those, I guess. Anyway, so we're here in the winery last night, and you know, we were trying to figure it out how to do it. And the people in the winery is so freaking sweet. They gave us a bunch of ideas. We tried several routes to the point that, hey, maybe you can rent a pickup truck in U-Haul and just drive it over there and come back, right? That would be the cheapest way to do it. Well, there is a company, I don't remember the name, that to take us over there would cost us $180 per adults, and our 2 teenager girls pay as an adult. Our boy pays $70 because he's a kid, whatever. That was a ton of money, almost $300, if not more than $300, just a round trip to Yosemite Park. That is ridiculous. Anyway, and then there was another company that has like a shuttle that they take you there, they drop you at the door, and then you walk, and then they pick you up in the afternoon. They have like a schedule thing going on. Completely booked. They have another one that takes you around and shows you around and blah, blah, blah. But the same thing, incredibly expensive. So anyway, so we're here in the winery, blah, blah, blah. We have the kids. We did some wine tasting, awesome. And then we said, okay, let's go get ice cream, in the town. Let's walk around and see what we can find. Anyway, so we go, and we find an ice cream parlor, like, I don't know, a quarter of a mile from the winery, walking down the road. We get there, there is a super, super sweet couple Mexicans that own the store. My God, the food is great. And the people there is, if there is a version of an angel, that will be them. So we're talking to them, and I'm a Mexican. And they, oh my God, I haven't seen this in years, blah, blah, blah. How is it? Anyway, so I got, we all got treats. Really good treats, by the way. Anyway, God, I'm saying a lot of anyways. Sorry. So in the middle of the conversation, we're, hey, do you know anybody that could take us to Yosemite? We pay money to take us and then pick us up at night. And the lady, her name is Emma, she said, oh, just take my car. And I'm like, no. Yeah, just take my car. You go and, you pick it up tomorrow morning and you go and drop it back at night. It's okay. And they're like, no, yeah, don't worry about it. It's fine. Go enjoy. Okay, so, we arranged to pick up the car this morning at 8 o'clock in the morning and to meet with her husband, Porfirio. So we met Porfirio this morning at 8 in the morning. Oh my God, what a sweet guy. Talking to him. Oh yeah, just keep it today, tomorrow, a couple of days. It's okay, just go have fun, blah, blah, blah. It blew us away. It kind of restored our faith in humanity to find, people that would just help you like that. Like, would just do it. No ask us for ID, copies of insurance, nothing. Just here are the keys, go have fun, bring it back. Done. Just like that. Anyway, so we, after all that nightmare, pick up the car, drove all the way to the park. We got to the park, and we have an annual pass for all the national parks. So we got to the park, and apparently because of COVID baloney, you need to have like a reservation in top of it. And we're like, what are you talking about? The website doesn't even say that. And then accessing the reservation thing is not an easy thing. It's like you surf through their website and it's not friendly at all. Finally, you get to where you make a reservation, and today is Monday? Tuesday? Today's Tuesday, June the 8th. But they are booked all the week, all the way to next Monday and Tuesday. So how do you do that? And then all the rest of June is booked. So it's like we make reservation for next Monday or Tuesday, but we're leaving today. Anyway, lesson learned. We learned a few things this way. Between the last 24 hours, we learned that there is good people everywhere. There is true, good, sweet people everywhere when you least expect it. And people will help you if you, if you reach them to the heart. And there is such a good people everywhere. And I'm very happy that our kids got to see that. Our kids were like, what? They're gonna do what? Why? Because they're good people, but why? It's just no why. It's just because they're good people. And that's just it. Sometimes, we do good deeds for someone, and back in our minds, maybe we think, well, I did this good thing, but I'm not getting anything back. But what you don't see, or we don't see, is that it's not to get something back, is that karma exists. the universe, one way or another, will pay you that back. And we have done good things in our lives. We may feel here and there that, yeah, I did that, but I didn't get anything in return, and this person is blah, 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 or whatever. I learned today, don't do that. Do a good thing, be good about it. Don't let it go. The universe will reach you back. And I think that's what just happened to us with this car borrowing situation. So we're good. We are sad we didn't went to Yosemite. We learned a few things. Now we know we need a reservation for the national parks because COVID bullshit. So our next big park is the Tetons and Yellowstone. So we have to have reservations for that. We don't want to get screwed. And now we're going to San Francisco. So be it. Just the way it is. So another day of paradise. So this is our parking for the night. Oh my God, it was so cold last night. I don't know, you can see it. It was really cold last night, but it was absolutely beautiful. We're in the winery, in the parking lot. Super, super sweet people. Idle Winery. They have a brewery, and they have a winery and a brewery, and they have a little restaurant and stuff. They have some cabins in here. Very nice place, just outside Yosemite Park. So we're here at Dulce Sabor con Emma and Porfirio on the shop. Hi, Emma. So this is Emma, in the shop. And they have the best esquites. We found this little store, this little shop with Mexican goodies. And I mean goodies, they have all kind of things. And this is Emma. And as you know, we have our RV, but we're not pulling a car with us because we just got crunch on time. And we were mentioning that to him. And Emma said, oh, I let you use my car. She just met us like 15 minutes ago. And she's letting us borrow her car to go to Yosemite Park for tomorrow.
Of course.
When you guys come to Yosemite, you guys need to come here. They have the best things. Like Dulce Sabor, that's the name of the store. Dulce Sabor. And give Emma a lot of sugar because she is awesome. Say hi, Emma.
Hi. Please visit us. We're here in Oakhurst, California.
And your Mexican food is awesome. The tortas are awesome. Oh, here, agua frescas. I just got the mixed berry and it's 2 by 4. And they have flan and ice cream. Look at this. They have ice cream. My goodness. Super cute, and she is an angel. She's gonna go to heaven with all and chanclas. I know that.
Yes.
So here with kids, they just have ice cream and a torta, and I have esquites. What an awesome place. Thank you, Emma, so much. God bless you.
Thank you for visiting us.
Thank you
for stopping by.
No, I can't believe it. You just drop it like that. Yeah, don't take a photo of my car. It's okay. I'm like, oh, are you sure? No, you'll pay you for it. No, we are going to pay you for it.
Yeah.
Oh, you bet.
You can come and not visit the park.
Yeah, I didn't know. We were like, oh my God, we're going to go
You
back.
have to visit the park, enjoy the beauty of this. We call it our backyard.
Our backyard.
You have to visit.
Thank you, Emma. God bless you. Oh, this goes in well. Oh, in the morning we woke up and we find out that we have a kind of a low tire. So Brian is trying to see. You can see her back there struggling with the tires. He's dealing with our low tire situation. So we will figure out how to get out of here in one piece without flat tires. These tires are no fun to change. So hopefully everything gonna be okay. So anyway, just we keep you posted for this week. Bye. Traveling routes here. Bye. Say bye, Mr. Root.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. How you doing there?
We'll be on the road again shortly.
Okay, how's your back?
It's okay.
My knee is killing me. Anyway, bye, people. Saludos.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.